What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the S Pen as a remote to take pictures or record videos in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and then in S Pen tap on air actions. Now first of all turn on this air actions button and after that scroll down and in app actions section tap on camera. Now turn on this camera button and after turning on this button you can take picture or record video with single press of S Pen button. So now go back to your home screen and open the camera app. Now to take picture, single press the button. So that's how you can take picture with the S Pen. Now if you want to record a video, then go to video mode and when you will single press on this S Pen button, it will start recording, and when you will press this button again, it will stop the recording. So that's how you can use the S Pen as a remote to take picture or record video in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.